Hello, this is Sona Chaube. Welcome to my channel. So today I am sharing with you all my red velvet cake recipe, and this cake is really very delicious and tasty from other recipes. So now let's start this recipe. So I am here greasing my baking tin first with oil and dust with flour. So any kind of flour you are using for your cake you can use here, and just it should be first step to grease the baking tin. Now here I am adding half cup of oil. I'm just lasting 2 teaspoons from it, and now here is half cup of half plus 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Just mix it well till it gets a creamy texture. Now here I am adding 1/4 cup of curd. It's a full cup of curd, you can see on your screens. Here half teaspoon of vanilla essence and half teaspoon of butterscotch essence. It will enhance the taste of your recipe. It will differentiate the taste of your recipe. Whisk it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now here I am adding gel color 2 to 3 drops. Now I am adding half cup of maida, and then I'm adding 1 plus 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 tablespoon plus half teaspoon of cocoa powder. Now I'm just sieving it well and just mix it with cut and fold method, and now I'm adding half cup of milk here. So it depends on your flour and other things to how much milk will required. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon more. I'm just adding milk to adjust the consistency of my cake or sponge. So I have taken here 2 teaspoon more to adjust the consistency. Now I think it's a perfect consistency. So this is the perfect consistency for my red velvet batter. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoon of vinegar. Then is immediately just mix it well and pour into your baking tin. So bake it for 40 to 45 minutes at 160 degree. So oven should be preheated for 10 minutes. After 45 minutes it's ready. Now knife comes out clean. So let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Then just demold this. So I am just demolding this after 25 minutes. And now you can see my mold is clean and the sponge is really very spongy. You can see here is the maida layer, you can see. So now I am just cutting here first layer for crumbs. I will just grind it. Now I will cut total 2 layers, and you will get in last 3 layers. So I am just cutting it with the cake cutting knife, or you can see bread cutting knife. So next layer I am cutting here. So it's okay. So here I am just soaking my first layer with water plus sugar syrup, and I am adding whipped cream. Here you have to use whipped cream. Just spread it out everywhere, all over it, to make a thin layer. Just clean it from the sides. Add some strawberry kush. Spread it out like this. It will enhance the taste of your cake. So it's a very different red velvet cake recipe. Just try this. So here I'm spreading some cherries. If you don't have, just skip it out, but it will enhance the taste. Now I am placing the next layer. Again I am repeating all the processes. Same process. Just spread the cream, then strawberry crush, and then cherries. Just level it out and spread some cherries. Now next layer, soak again. Whipped cream. Just level it out. And here you have to just cover the sides also. I'm just spreading some cream in the sides and just leveling it out. So here I am using this cake comb to level my cake from the sides or on the top. So here you have to just keep it in your fridge for 20 minutes. And here my ground crumbs are ready. So just again after 20 minutes you just have to repeat the process. You have to now only use whipped cream. Using your comb, just level it out like this. Just apply some ground crumbs in the sides like this. And just draw the line in the middle like this. So on the one side sprinkle some breadcrumbs like this and make some round flour of your choice or any kind of flour of your choice in the other side. As you can see how I am doing this. Just cover it from the sides. Okay. Now you can see how pretty is it. I'm just covering from the down. So now it's looking really very nice, but I'm just sprinkle some more. So here I have some silver balls and here I have some colorful balls. So just spread it out like this, and I have some pearls, colorful pearls here, so I'm just placing like this. This is my homemade chocolate in red color. These are so beautiful. So just place this like this. Yes. You will get some like this. So my pretty cake is ready. Or believe me, it's really very delicious also. You will not disappoint it. So sorry for the cutting part due to some reason, or you can say the technical problem, the cutting part is missing, so sorry for that. So do try this recipe at your home, you will not think